Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Jack who had a hard time staying focused. Whenever he tried to do his homework or read a book, he would quickly get distracted by his toys or something else in the room. One day, Jack's mom noticed how much he was struggling and decided to teach him a trick to help him stay focused. She gave him a small toy to hold in his hand while he was doing his homework and told him to focus all of his attention on that toy. At first, Jack was skeptical. How could holding a toy help him stay focused? But he decided to give it a try. He picked up the toy and began to study his homework. Every time he felt his mind wandering, he would look at the toy in his hand and think about its color, shape, and texture. Surprisingly, it worked. Jack found that by focusing on the toy, he was able to stay more engaged with his homework and finish it faster. Over time, he didn't even need the toy anymore because he had learned how to focus on his work without getting distracted. From that day on, Jack's grades improved, and he was able to enjoy reading books without losing interest. He even started to teach his friends the trick his mom had taught him, and they found it helpful too. The moral of the story is that sometimes a small distraction can help you stay focused. All you need is to find something that you can use to bring your attention back to the task at hand. With practice, you can learn to stay focused and accomplish anything you set your mind to. We hope you enjoyed this story about the power of distraction and how it can help kids stay focused. If you want to listen more stories like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll receive regular updates on new stories to support your child's learning and development. Like and click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you soon.